Okay, this is how you do the sponge bottle shuffle. First, you have 3 pieces of paper in front of you, and first you start on the left and the center one. Then you jump on your left leg up into the center with your right foot up. Then you jump onto the right piece of paper on your right leg with your left leg out. Then you have to jump on your right leg into the middle with this leg up. Then you jump out to the left on your left foot with your left leg out. Okay, now let's do that again. Into the center on your left, out to the right on your right, into the center on your right, and out to the left on the right. Just keep on going slow. So each time you go into the center, the one that you're on the foot is up. Just travel a bit faster. And yes, I am a girl. Didn't think a girl could do it. Girl power.